Do y'all have a superhero inside of you like I do? I have always tried to look at my life in a mythic way. And I was sitting down to do a video for y'all and needed a little Shazam. So I put this on. And she said, "It's really nice outside, Ann. Let's go. Let's go outside and do this. Come on. Let's go." I decided to come outside and sit here next to the water as the sun is going down and talk to you about one of my favorite things. And that is to help women take their passions, their wisdom, and their experience and put them into a cauldron of alchemy. Ooh, that's scary. And create a small program to share. And we do that online. And the reason I'm so passionate about it is because if you're looking for your purpose, if you're frustrated and you're trying to find your way in the world, you feel like you're not on your path, you feel like you're not giving back to the world and to other people in the way that you could, it's a really hard thing to find that North Star and get on that path toward something bigger by yourself in a vacuum, or reading or consuming. And so I find to take a little project, a project that might even not be born yet, or to take what you already do, like massage or art or coaching, and to create a small program around it, whether you charge for that program or you just bring people together in a group. What that does is it catalyzes. It's like something, it's really bright, making me cry. Something that brings together, I mean, you have to get your voice out there, right? You have to play with visibility. You have to practice writing your thoughts so that people understand you. You might have to get in front of a group and speak or do a video like this. There are all these amazing skills that are brought together when you lead a small program. So that's why I'm so passionate about it. Women I work with have decided to teach online courses. If they're prolific in their output, I suggest they do a membership instead. One amazing woman is an astrologer, and she wrote every day, and she would post on Facebook. And I said, why don't you get a group together and do a membership? There are women who've written books and women who've decided to do in-person programs instead. And also just women who explored the Dharma of teaching and sharing and bringing groups together and decided it was not on their path. So here's the thing. North Star, right? You're going towards something you want. It's a perfect, I hope you can hear the birds. It's a perfect metaphor because until you put your boat in the water, you can't make the corrections for navigating. So that's what this program is. It's put your boat in the water. And next week, starting on Monday, every year I do a 3-part course that will teach you how to do that. Where to start, how to host it, how to get it out in the world. So join me. The link is down below, and we start on Monday, the 18th. Here's to a 2019 that's totally different and perfectly on path.